Here at Golf Cars of Beaumont, we like to offer many options for our customers, a large variety of cars. But to make it easier for you, we've compiled some packages together. Hello, I'm Dustin Feldman with Golf Cars of Beaumont. Today I'm going to talk about the Evolution EV and all the accessories that it comes with, but mainly I want to talk about technology that it comes with. I want to introduce the Lithium-Ion technology. The electric cars have come so far, and I'd like to share this with you guys. This is a lithium-ion battery pack. Used to, they would have several batteries that would make the cart function, but now with the lithium-ion pack, it's a different ballgame. With these batteries, there's a 5-year warranty. You don't have to maintenance them, there's zero maintenance. They go twice the distance as the old battery systems, and they charge in half the time. These cars also have a huge 6.3 kilowatt motor, producing 8.5 horsepower. It's by far the biggest motor in its class. These cars have an onboard charger, see right here. All you have is a cord. Comes with a cord. This plugs in any 110 outlet. Pop this up. That's simple. Shows your miles per hour here. It's got your odometer here. It's got, you hit your home button and you have different apps. You can Bluetooth music. You can even hook a movie up. You have settings here, all kinds of things you can use from this 9-inch touchscreen. These cars have a AA arm front suspension for a smoother, much sturdier ride. They also have, which is really cool, 4-wheel hydraulic brakes. For safety, much better than mechanical brakes. Seat flips out for your storage, and there's also a spot for storage or even a cooler. These also come with a slow-moving triangle reflector. Most neighborhoods require this. And there's also a spot down here for your license plate. You can put a custom license plate, or if you're in a city that requires one, you can put it right there. They have cup holders in the back seat for your rear passengers. This also has an extended roof to cover your rear passengers from the sun or from the rain. Fender Flares, the rims that match the body. Fold down windshield. It has a brush guard on the front. It has fully functioning LED headlights and blinkers. These Evolution EVs are available in several BMW colors: Arctic Gray, Mineral White, Flamenco Red, Portimao Blue, Mediterranean Blue, and Sapphire Black. 6-inch lift kit. It's got side mirrors that are adjustable. This also has a USB. You can plug a flash drive in, and you're able to upload videos onto your touchscreen. And the bottom has 2 USBs for charging. These are the seat belts. Very easily click. And there's also some in the rear for your rear passengers. Very easy, just pull it up, click it right there. This is your high-low switch. Right now it's in high. You can turn it to low, and that basically cuts your speed in half. This is your knob that controls drive, neutral, and reverse. Right now it's in neutral. Put it in drive, very simple. Or you put it in reverse, and as you can see, your reverse camera comes up. This is your battery indicator. This shows how much life you have left. Right now it's showing 84%. These cars also have a stock radio on them. You can Bluetooth your phone. Let's do it right here. We'll press play here.
Cowboy throw down here in H-Town, where we're stronger than a hurricane.
One of the cool upgrades that we offer on these Evolutions is the sound and lighting package. It's really neat. So we basically replace these speakers down here with an upgraded speaker that matches these. This upgrade also comes with the rocker lights on each fender. They actually complement the speakers really well. I strongly recommend you come drive one of these. You will be very impressed.